y'all, and welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, thanks so much for stopping by today. For today's video, I have for you my Look Fantastic beauty box for the month of September. So if that sounds interesting to you, then why don't we go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is again for the month of September. This is what the box looks like. Get a little closer so you can see. It's very cute. Celebration of Beauty is their theme. And then again, it comes with the little magazine that tells you about the products, and it also has other information in there. And then this is what the box looks like. It's got tissue, and it's got a little sticker here that has the logo LFBB, and it says Look Fantastic Beauty Box on it. So I'll open that up. Then when we open that up, we see all of our goodies inside. This is guaranteed to have a value of at least $60. The only thing that I don't necessarily like about this, I love the magazine because it gives a lot of information, but it doesn't tell the prices. So you just kind of have to take them at their word that it's worth $60. I like this box because I'm exposed to a lot of products that I would normally not be, because this comes from the UK, so I think it might be a lot of UK brands or other, you know, brands from other countries, so that's kind of exciting. So anyways, and I pay $16 a month for this, and that includes free shipping. I don't know if I pay tax. I'll have to look. I think I do. I think it's like 17 something total that I pay, including tax. So there you go. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing I see is a Beauty Pro brightening sheet mask with collagen, vitamin C, and aloe vera. So I'll always take a sheet mask. I love sheet masks. I need to do them more often because I have a lot of them. So let's read about this. Okay, it says what it is: a youth-inducing sheet mask enriched with an abundance of anti-aging ingredients that are suitable for all skin types. Your skin will appear rejuvenated and brighter in just 15 minutes. Has collagen, vitamin C, and aloe vera. And how to use, it just says remove mask from packaging, unfold and place on cleansed skin. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes before removing. Massage in any remaining serum. So just like any other sheet mask that you would use. So nothing too special there. Okay, the next thing that I see here is, oh gosh, I'm going to probably butcher this name, but I'm going to give it a try. Ameliorate smoothing body exfoliant with alpha hydroxy therapy. That sounds nice. I can always use, and smoothing exfoliant. I like that. I mean, I do make my own sugar scrub that I use in the bathtub or in the shower, but I like the AHAs. That helps with my because I have that KP keratosis pilaris on my arms, so, and I get it on my legs, my thighs sometimes too, so the alpha hydroxy acid will help with that. So let's read about that. It says what it is: specially formulated to combat, oh, there you go, talking about the keratosis pilaris. So specially formulated to combat keratosis pilaris, the bumpy chicken skin-like texture that often shows up on the back of arms and legs. This moisturizer is the secret to smooth and supple skin. Has lactic acid, shea butter, and coconut oil. How to use: massage onto dry skin. Oh, dry skin, interesting. Thoroughly 2 to 3 times per week before rinsing in the bath or shower. Okay, I wonder if you're supposed to let it sit. You would think you'd want to let it sit for just a little bit. Let me use my handy dandy magnifying glass. Yeah, it says leave on skin for a few minutes to ensure product works to its optimum before rinsing off. Yeah, that makes more sense to me. And also it has a warning on there to be careful in the sun, because anytime you're using AHAs, you always want to be careful and make sure you're wearing your sunscreen. You want to make sure you're wearing your sunscreen anyways, but especially if you're using AHAs. Alright, next up is called, I'm not sure what that brand is supposed to be. I'll figure it out in a second. And then it has number 575. The Color Pen Eyeliner. And it looks like it's probably going to be brown. Yep, it looks like it's a felt tip eyeliner and it's brown. Okay, I could do that. I can use a brown eyeliner. I don't know the brand. It's like weird. It has like a box. It has an M, an N, an A, and an I. So I really have no idea what the brand is. That says what it is: a pigmented, easy to use liquid pen eyeliner perfect for achieving a wide range of liner looks, from a cat eye to graphic lines, with a super fine and flexible precision tip that glides slowly over the eye. Long lasting, quick drying, and smudge free. How to use: placing the eyeliner as close to the lash line as possible. Use small strokes to draw your required shape. Once the shape has been defined, use larger strokes to color it in. Top tip: when drawing a flick, the line should follow the natural line from the edge of your eye up to the end of the brow. This will ensure it fits with the shape of both your face and eye. So that's a nice little tip there, because I am terrible at winged eyeliner, so there you go. Alright, let's see, what else do I have in here? I have something from Christophe Robin, Paris. It says hydrating melting mask with aloe vera, hydrated hair, shiny and plumped lengths. Oh, okay, so this is for your hair. Cool, so let's read about that. What it is: an intense hair mask infused with 98% natural ingredients to lock in moisture and leave you with luminous locks. Ideal for dry, brittle hair, free from parabens and sulfates. It says it has aloe vera juice and citric acid in it. It says how to use: apply a small amount through damp hair after shampooing, starting at the scalp and working the product through to the ends. Leave on for up to 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Okay, simple enough. I can do that. I've used plenty of hair masks. Okay, the next thing I see in here is by SVR Laboratories. And it says Paul Pubrol cream by something, and there's hyaluronic acid plus omega-3, 6, and 9. Okay. Yeah, I don't know where this is from, but it's definitely not in my language. Oh, okay, wait. Irritated eyelids anti-itching soothing cream. Well, that's interesting. This is what it looks like. And it's, I don't know how many ounces it is. Oh, it's 0.5 fluid ounces. So basically that's the typical size for an eye cream. So that's pretty good. That's what it looks like right there. Getting washed out a little bit. Okay. Interesting. Anti-itch eye cream. Never heard of that. What it is: a calming, soothing eye cream that will provide your delicate eye area with up to 24 hours of hydration. Its velvet texture helps to reduce redness and irritation for a more comfortable eye area. How to use: using your ring finger, gently tap a small amount under the eyes and up to the brow bone twice daily. Okay, so just like any other eye cream. Sounds interesting. I'll give it a try once I use up some of my other eye creams. Okay, and I think there's only one thing left in here, and it's from By Terry. And it says on the bottom, Balm de Rose, and then it's in the language that I don't know how to pronounce. So it says what it is, a nourishing lip balm. Oh, I didn't show you all the tube. So this is what it looks like. By Terry. I don't think I have anything from the brand By Terry. I know they're a very pricey brand. It says what it is, a nourishing lip balm enriched with By Terry's signature formula, perfect for softening your put, I think it's supposed to say pout, whilst adding an enviable shine. It says it has shea butter, rose flower wax, and vitamin E. How to use, apply directly to the lips throughout the day as often as required, perfect for applying under or over lipstick. So there you go, very nice. I do wish I knew the prices on these things, like I said, but I don't. And then there's, you know, more information in here, and it looks like they're coming out with a advent calendar, a beauty chest, and a festive edit. I don't know that I'll be buying any of those. I'm not big on advent calendars and stuff like that. But it is cool. There's some cool information in here in the back. And then it says what's coming up for the October box. We're looking ahead to the festive period and getting our skin and body prepped for all parties. It says Rituals of Myrrh Body Cream, 70 ml. Rediscover ultra soft skin with this orange fragranced body cream, perfect for hydrating and energizing your soul. So what's coming up? That just gives you kind of an idea. So there you go. That was my Look Fantastic box. I'm excited to try everything. I've never heard of any of these brands except for By Terry, but I've never owned anything from By Terry, so I'm definitely excited about that. And I do like that they use sustainable packaging in here. It's just shredded paper, so that can be recycled. Love that. It gets to me from the UK super fast. I got this in like, I don't know, well, what's today, the 17th? So I think that's pretty darn fast. The last one got here a little bit late, but this one came faster. But I think I might have also signed up a little, like halfway through the month, in the month of August. So for September, spot on, right on time. It came the same day I think that my my BoxyCharm came. So coming from the UK and it making it here the same time that BoxyCharm does, that's really good. And again, I think I paid around $17 with taxes for this, so that's not bad. I think all of this is well worth it to give it a try. I mean, they're really pretty decent size samples. I mean, this is a full size clearly. I think this is full size. Pardon me, and this is a full size sheet mask. These are probably both deluxe sizes, but they're nice, generous deluxe sizes. And then this is probably a full size, and By Terry is very expensive. So, I mean, I'm sure this makes the box, this probably pays for the box itself. So, yay, I'm very excited. And I have signed up for, I think, a 12-month subscription, so I'll continue receiving this box for another at least 10 months. So, I look forward to unboxing more of them in the future for you guys. Alright, with all that being said, if you like this video, I hope you'll consider giving it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much with the YouTube algorithm. Pardon me, I can't talk. I am just a little bitty micro channel and I'm trying to get noticed by YouTube, so anything that I can do to try to get noticed definitely helps me out, and giving me a like always helps. Commenting down below helps. Sharing my video helps. So you know, if you want to help me try to grow my channel, there you go. There's a way to help do that. Let's see what else. Also, I hope you'll consider subscribing and ringing that notification bell so that you'll be notified of future content. I do lots of different content. I have unboxings, I have tutorials, I have, you know, reviews. I do lots and lots of eyeshadow palettes. I do tag videos sometimes. I do giveaways a lot. They may not be huge giveaways because I'm a small channel, but I do giveaways frequently. So, you know, I would hate for you to miss out on giveaways. So I would love to have you as a subscriber. So again, with all that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you are having a great day or evening wherever you are in this world. I hope that you're staying safe. Hope you're staying healthy, and I look forward to talking to you again real soon. Bye!